5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out that day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out to roam, over the hills far from home. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out alone, over the hills and far from home. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 and no little ducks came running back. Mama duck cried quack, quack, quack. She missed her ducks, she wanted them back. Over the hill she waddled all day, calling her ducklings far away.